I can't do this.
You ordered it. You finna eat it.
I know, but the first time I'm 12. Oh, girl. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Go ahead.
Oh, I feel like it gon'.
He ordered this lobster and don't even want to touch it. He gonna eat it today. Look, a whole lobster.
The thing that creep me out is these.
Somebody else too.
Yes. I'm afraid of. He ordered all this food. Oh my gosh.
All of it. And he's scared.
I'm getting lightheaded touching it, man.
Ted,
When am I gonna start?
pull the tail apart.
I can't.
Pull the tail apart, Kibar.
I'm getting lightheaded.
Squeeze it. Pull the tail apart.
I'm getting lightheaded.
Pick it up. You gotta pick it up. Oh, it jumped. No. I'm tickled. You got to pick the thing up, Kibar.
I got it.
Squeeze it. Pull the tail off.
I'm trying my best to pull the tail.
You got to pop it. Come on now.
I'm scared.
Why you ordered it?
Because I thought it looked like just how it looked like on a commercial, that's why.
Don't look like the same lobster.
It ain't red.
If it wasn't red, they wouldn't give it to you. It's red.
It's barely red. It's like a darkish brownish red. I'm talking about like fresh red. Buttery red. I'm so scared of this thing.
You gonna have to do it. Come on now.
Well, I done got myself a very horrifying birthday.
You fool?
Can't eat no more.
Barely.
Can't even eat one of these small little Mukbang. I'm just miserable. I can't even laugh right there. Every time I laugh, my stomach clench up. I can't. I'm done. I'm just to go by for everything that house of me or whatever else going on. I'm done. I took advantage of it.
Well, he want to order everything on the menu.
Then when mama had me there, I had to go wash some dishes. I had to pet somebody.
Yeah, it was epic. I should have recorded. But
I got a whole fly. I ain't even touch it. I got about 3-5 legs. The sad thing, I haven't even finished my tail yet. I still got all this to go. Sad about it, I ain't touched it all the time. First with the muscle, I ain't.
they order all this stuff and can't even eat it. Then he got dessert coming.
I forgot about my dessert.
So I ate mine though. Some of it. I ate one of them.
Oh, I gotta get
pretty
myself
good,
up
yeah.
right
Pretty good. Pretty good. You know. Man, look at that lobster tail.
Oh. Wow, this lemon sour.
You'll be alright. Put it down. It is sour?
What kind of fork is this?
That's what you gotta eat your seafood with. I told you that for you. That when you,
Why you didn't tell me earlier?
I told you eat it with the fork.
You wanna go help?
Yeah.
Crying.
Miserably full. It's so sad. The lemon that bad.
It tastes like what you call I forgot the name of it. I think it was it had red in it. What's the name of the
Pomegranate.
Huh?
Pomegranate.
Yeah, pomegranate.
Grapefruit.
Yeah, it tastes disgusting.
We will be back.
Yeah, it tastes like a tangerine or that was
He ain't finna eat this. Okay.
Alrighty, got anything else at the moment? Let me get the check.
Oh, where's the dessert?
What? I used it right there. He got it to go. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, get the check.
She's gonna record you not eating it. Alright, I'll let you know.
I love potato. I just figured I had that, but when I was eating them all, so I finally looked at it for the first time.
What, to my dinner?
There was so much sour cream, I couldn't eat it. It was just real sour.
My son's birthday. Food, money, time. I can only imagine how much the check is. I'm gonna record it. Not sure.
I need to go for a run after this. I don't even think I'll be able to move.
I gotta pack mine up.
My stomach
That's my to-go box.
My stomach.
My to-go box.
I can't.
Hold on.
I'm just miserable. I feel weak.
You'll be alright.
You had a lemon lime?
So good. I don't have much, but whole lobster tail. I mean, it was good. It was good, for real. I'm not gonna lie. Just gonna eat all of it.
Don't worry, ice cream. I'll finish it. Oh, why you? I wish I could stretch.
My bad. I'm picking mine up. Me, I didn't leave much. Not more than he did. Not a lot. My asparagus. Y'all know asparagus is good for you in so many ways.
You gonna eat your bread?
Yeah, you get one, I get one.
I ain't finna eat no more.
Okay.
I look like a pregnant woman over here. My stomach is just
Huge.
I ain't eat nothing. I ain't gonna eat no candy, no nothing.
Put that stuff in your plate so you can eat it later when you go down, when you go with your daddy. I doubt you eat it tonight. Don't do that.
I ain't mean to do that. My hand, do the sharp part under the claw. Oh, that's what it is. What's that red part? Hopefully no juice don't shoot.
You really don't need that part. You just need the tail.
Tail, but the meat, I mean, the claw. Oh, I can't do it. I'm too weak.
Just
I'm
leave it
gonna
alone.
eat this.
Mine wrapped out all nice and neat. Yep, all nice and neat. Take this home, even though I'm finna go to a cookout when I leave from here. But hey, I don't have to eat. Gonna heat that up.
Hey mom, what can I get? Can I get somebody to sing me happy birthday or whatever?
I eat a lot, but I might not eat at this cookout. I'm about to go to. Kind of rough.
I can't even look at the most.
Oh man, I left a shrimp. Gotta get that shrimp. Can't leave no shrimp.
That one little piece of shit.
Yeah. Can't leave that. Shoot.
Oh man, Ma, I can't look at the muscles.
You're bad, right?
I feel like
see how much this check is over here.
I don't know if you want to open it.
oh my god.
What? What? Go on back there, start washing them dishes.
We're running out of everything. Plates, cups.
You gotta go on back there, start washing them dishes. Let me see this.
I already can't even move anyway.
Woo! It's a lot. This my son. It's all him.
She must love you.
This all him right here.
I'll leave it to y'all. See what she ends up doing.
No, I'm gonna pay for it.